So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is another video case study of a major, I think their revenue is like 40 billion plus, major HVAC manufacturer, right? So these guys literally ship $500,000 HVAC systems in flatbed trucks, right? And they use LoadProof to document the condition of the product when it leaves their manufacturing facility, right? They got this huge, 1.5 million, 2 million square feet Texas, where they manufacture all this, HVAC systems. That's all, shipped to construction sites, right? So, this is a very unique thing about construction business, right? Obviously, in a construction site, when you're, constructing a, commercial building or a school or a hospital or, something like that, there are so many different vendors that are coming together to complete that project, right? So if one vendor delays something, what happens if for some reason there is a delay that happened, or the product was shipped in a bad condition where they cannot use it, or they got to do some extra work before they install the product. What they do, or rest of the vendors get together and impose penalty on this vendor that failed the deadline, right? So that's a crazy situation to be in. So that's why this is super important for these guys to provide that compelling, concrete, court-ready proof to say that, hey guys, we shipped our product in perfect condition. This is how it was when it left our facility. So, and we actually, Troy was this materials manager, and he reached out to us saying that, hey guys, we got to have a better tool. And they were, juggling all these photos, right? Capturing them through smartphones. It was pain in the neck to, manage them. So that's when they came, and they, started with the first site. They had tremendous success. They loved it so much, and then they turned it on for the rest of their sites, and it's like 10 or 12 facilities all over the US, and they love it, and this is a manufacturing scenario, not a typical distribution warehousing scenario. So these guys, a ton of dollar savings again, right? Again, we guarantee less than 10 seconds to upload the photos, to retrieve the photos, to share the photos, right? That's all, very efficient and very optimally done, right? That's super important, especially, when you're shipping this, $500,000 HVAC system in flatbed truck, right? We have actually another customer that does a similar thing, but they use videos. They ship a lot of, this sheetrock, right, that we use to build walls in homes. They use that to, they ship that in flatbed trucks, and they go around and take videos of how good the condition of the product is. So that's what these guys do, and they've turned it on in like 11 or 12 facilities. They use this for all kinds of scenarios. They use it for obviously shipping the HVAC system. They use it for even shipping parts, right? Because parts are very critical. When they because some machine is gone down. It's not functioning as it should, and they need parts to be shipped right away, because there are so many people waiting on the arrival of the parts. And the whole whoever is, they're paying for the personnel, paying for the tools, paying for other things that they've rented, right? So these guys use it for parts as well, and a lot of savings, multiple millions across all the facilities. It's like huge savings, and Troy is like so much more peacefully sleeping now, because hey guys, if they say they blame us, then we can pull it out and show, guys, look at this. We are doing a great job, and they got a turnkey solution from us, because they also bought the tablets. It just makes everything so much easier, and we support them sometimes. Sometimes they park the loads, and they ask for support and things like that. So my point is that if you are one of those manufacturers that's shipping to construction sites, right? If you are one of those manufacturers that's shipping expensive products like this, right? $500,000 HVAC systems, or even more expensive stuff shipping in flatbed trucks. And the other thing that they do very interesting is that they load all this off, away from the shipping dock door. So it's like in the yard location, in the parking lot, they're loading all this. They don't have great Wi-Fi there, so we support them there also. We have provided all this capability so they can still operate the system offline, and then finally come to the shipping dock and then upload the photos to the cloud, right? So all that works really they love it. And if you are a construction product shipper, right? You are someone that's shipping products to construction site, will be happy to help you, and we can save ton of dollars. And as a materials manager, you have similar challenges as well. And so basically these guys have 4 different types of savings. First is obviously a streamlined system and process, for capturing photos, retrieving photos, sharing photos. Second is obviously, right, there is a major freight claim. These guys incur a lot of freight claims, because whenever there is a damage, then they blame them, and then they pull out these photos and say, hey guys, it's not us, it's someone else, and then they're able to submit those freight claims and get those claims processed quickly, because now they have compelling proof, right? The third one is obviously, right, the rejected loads, because in construction, if even if there is a small ding or dent or paint got scratched, they could potentially reject that shipment, and these guys can avoid all that, because now they have proof saying that, hey guys, we did our job right. And then the fourth one is they use extensively for quality audits that's done for the product that's coming from their vendors, right? So they can and this is a huge benefit, because they're able to immediately capture those quality infractions and share those photos with their vendors. Hey vendor, look at it, this is how we got it. What is the problem? Where is the problem? How was it when you shipped? And that's a collaborative conversation with their vendor, saying that, hey guys, this is how we got it. Can you fix it? Somebody has to absorb the cost, so they're able to do that, right? That is another major savings for them. So it's multiple millions just from one facility, and expand that to 10 facilities. It's a huge savings, right? So yeah, I mean, if you are a someone that ships, manufacture the product that you manufacture, you're a materials manager, you're shipping to a construction site, talk to us, right? We will guarantee you we can save you a ton of dollars. We can save you peace of mind, right? We can save you all the time and effort, and people won't just blame you, and we can get you to sleep peacefully in the night. You don't have to worry about, oh, what is this charge back for? You're not losing peace, right? So yeah, talk to us, and we'll give you a free trial, and we guarantee you, during the free trial you'll start saving dollars, right? So yeah, please talk to us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.